Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate at home without cocoa powder. First, gather your essential ingredients like cacao nibs, a sweetener such as sugar, and any flavorings you desire. You will also need a food processor or a melanger for grinding. Ensure all your tools are clean and dry before you begin this exciting culinary adventure. This preparation is key to a smooth process. Once your ingredients are ready, begin grinding the cacao nibs in your food processor or melanger. The nibs will gradually transform into a thick, liquid paste known as chocolate liquor. Slowly add your chosen sweetener, like granulated sugar, continuing to grind until the mixture is incredibly smooth. This refining step is crucial for achieving a luxurious texture and flavor in your homemade chocolate. Now it's time to temper your chocolate, which gives it a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap. Gently melt the chocolate, then cool it down to a specific temperature, and finally reheat it slightly. This process stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals. After tempering, stir in any additional flavorings, such as vanilla extract, a pinch of sea salt, or even some chili powder for a unique twist. Finally, pour your perfectly tempered chocolate into molds of your choice. You can use silicone molds for easy removal or even line a baking dish. Allow the chocolate to set completely at room temperature, which can take a few hours. Once firm, unmold your delicious homemade chocolate and enjoy. For more great reads, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.